Hello, this is Carter Gebhards from Rockport High School, and this is my second oral comm speech. Many companies, including Riddell, Schutt, and Vices, are trying to improve safety in football, especially to the head, which they believe is essential to the future of the game itself. The first company is Riddell. They have two main helmets on the line right now. That is the Speedflex and the Axiom. The Speedflex came out a few years ago. Its main feature is its front flex panel, which was the first of its kind. It reduces energy transfer from helmet to helmet hits, and it also has a true fit chin strap system with a ratchet. That makes the helmet fit tighter to the head and making it safer. Their newest helmet that just came out last year is the Axiom. It added additional flex panels to the side and back to make it safer, especially to hits to the ground. Um, in addition, it has a new face mask design that makes the helmet less rigid and able to absorb more energy on hits. The second company is Schutt. Their main helmet is the F7, which they just came out with the second edition of. The first edition came out a few years ago. Its main innovation was its tectonic plates to the crown of the helmet. Those are able to move as they are hit by players, and they decrease the rotational energy so that is not transferred to the head and keeping it safer. The F7 2.0 uses that same technology on the outside of the helmet, but it has a new technology on the inside to keep the head safe, more safe for concussions. Those are collapsible columns. This technology they acquired from Vices, which is another company that makes football helmets. Um, they bought that company out and are now using that technology on their own helmets. But Vices does still make their own football helmets. They came a few years ago. They came out with the Vices 0.1, and that really changed the game on football helmets and made it. It was the first really next big step into keeping the players a lot safer. Their newest edition is the 0.2, which is the second generation of Vice's football helmets. It has the same collapsible column system as the Schutt helmets. This is the first helmet it came out in, and it is the second generation of that, and it is much improved from the first generation. A difference from the Schutt helmets is that the outer shell material is a softer, more flexible material that they think, helps capture more energy and keeps it from going to the head. And that this has worked according to many tests. Virginia Tech is the main tester of football helmets, and that is what the NFL uses to test the safety of their helmets, and they rank it as the number one safest helmet on the market right now. Vices is also the first company to come out with position-specific helmets. They have the trench and the QB versions of their 0.2 helmet. The trench has an extra bumper on the front of the helmet. It is mainly in use for linemen, as when they take their helmet-to-helmet hits, they're at a much lower speed, and this bumper helps take away a lot of the energy from going to the head as they take repeated hits. And they also have the QB model. It has additional structure in the back of the helmet to help keep the quarterback safe as they take many hits to the ground on the back of the head, and this additional piece helps keep the player safer. In conclusion, these companies have made many technological advancements, ultimately making football a safer game. And here are my note cards. All right, thank you.